Hello and welcome guys. In this video, we are going to see how to create distribution list in Exchange Online. Okay, there are two ways to create distribution list by using Exchange Admin Center or Exchange Online PowerShell. Okay, so with the help of that, you can create, modify, and remove distribution list in Exchange Online organizations. So now let's see how to create distribution lists. To create distribution list, we need to access admin.exchange.microsoft.com. I'll enter my user ID and password. I will log in with my global admin account. In the Exchange Admin Center, under the recipient, there is a group option. Just click on that and now click on distribution list, add a group, select a distribution. So here, under the distribution, you can see create an email address for a group of people and the notification is also there. Why not create a Microsoft 365 group instead of a distribution list? Okay, click on next, enter the group name. So under the setup, I will enter a group name HR. Let's give a description HR as well. Now we add the owner. Now we can add members to this group. So these members, you can select up to 20 peoples to join this group as a member. Once it is active, then you can add more later from active teams and groups. Okay. Now I'm going to add these three
members.
next. Now here you need to enter the email address you want to set up. In my case, it is HR. This is the option when you want to allow the outside of organization, the people they can send the email to this distribution list. So if you want to select, you can select it. Otherwise, you can just uncheck this box. Okay, so now we have another options open, closed, and owner approval. Open means anyone can join this group without any approval, and closed means only group owner can add the members. All the requests who want to join the group will be automatically declined. And third one is anyone can request to join this group and owner must approve those requests. Then we have other two options. Anyone can leave this group without any approval. That means anyone can leave this group without any owner's approval. And the last one is closed. When this is selected, only group members can remove the members. All requests who wants to leave this group will be automatically declined. So this is the group details which we have mentioned by creating the group. Just click on create. That's it. Our group is created. Now let's verify the group details. To verify the group details, let's navigate to recipients and groups. Here you can see HRDL is created. Click on HR. I'm going to click on HR and you can see there's a members org section and you can see there are members it's already added and you can see the owner which we have selected that is also mentioned there. You can see the member list is showing up here. Now go to settings tab. Here you can see the option hide this group from the global address list. That means when you check this option, your DL email ID will be hide from the global address list. So that's all in this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe the channel to get the latest notification of the new video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.